Temporal recording initiated.
Brilliant, sir! Follow me! Orvis was right. You're gonna do just fine. Race into the mnemonic chamber! Aw, come on. I just fixed that. Whoa. Here we are. So, are you ready to meet Orvis?
I am ready.
Access granted. Welcome to Mnemonic Station Beta.
Ta-da!
Where is Orvis?
He's in your head, of course. Locked away on a secret partition in your memory banks. Dr. Nefarious spent over a year trying to hack in. I have to deactivate your neural save and send you into your own subconscious. Hop in.
XJ0461. Off we go. We have lots to do if you're going to take over my work.
Are you really our father?
No, my dear boy. I am a program. A digital simulation of the real Orvis. Installed the day you were born in Solana. But don't worry. I know all his old jokes. Lesson 1. I'm going to teach you how to manipulate time. That chronoceptor can be used to create time bombs. Lesson 1. I'm going to teach you how to manipulate time. That chronoceptor can be used to create time bombs. Try using them to get across to the other side. Bravo, XJ0461, bravo! Each bomb contains enough quantum energy to slow down time for just a few moments. Quantum energy is quite unstable, so only one bomb may be thrown at a time. If you come across a broken object, simply strike it with your chronoceptor. It should reverse back to the way it was. Go on, give it a try. Good form, XJ0461. You're doing quite well. Now, on to lesson 2.
What is lesson 2? Temporal manipulation via faster-than-light particle acceleration?
Actually, I'm going to teach you how to hit things with a big stick. From time to time, various creatures find their way into the clock. A good caretaker protects the equipment at all costs.
Yes, but what does the equipment do?
All in good time, my son. Now, think of someone you wouldn't mind bonking on the head. Perhaps a buffoon who has made life difficult for you in the past. Wonderful! But you can do better than that. Good form, my son. Now, do as the kids say and lay the smack down. For a bit more. I normally keep going just a few levels. Well done. You certainly cleaned their clocks. Did you see what I did there? Oh, my. You've done wonderfully, my son. I know you're going to take good care of this place.
But where will you be? This is your facility.
No, my dear boy, it's your facility. The great clock and everything in it, I now leave to you. Watch over it and protect it. Fulfill your destiny, XJ0461. Program terminated.
Congratulations, sir. It's a pleasure to have you aboard.
Sigmund, what happened to the real Orbis?
He said it's a secret. And a junior caretaker knows how to keep secrets. Come on. We have an orientation room that will tell you everything you need to know about the Great Clock. It's also great for watching cartoons. Watch out, sir! Terratropes! Terratropes are nasty little creatures. They feed on quantum energy, so they can see your past selves. Lousy hypersonic brainwave scrambler. Nicely done, sir. I would have helped you out, but I'm not exactly what you'd call a fighter. Looks like the hollow bridge is out. You may have to find another way across. Your past selves can throw time bombs, too. Just remember, only one can exist at a time. It's for your own safety.
Temporal recording initiated.
Shoot! I said shoot! Be gone! Vamos! Disappear!
Temporal recording initiated.
Terratropes! Keep them away from your past self! You're getting pretty good at this, sir. I hate you, hypersonic brainwave scrambler, and I'm coming for you. Not now, mind you, but soon, after I take karate lessons, and well, I'm just saying you're on my list, pal.
Sigmund, I believe it is gone.
That's right, run away.
Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Whoa! Even Orvis had trouble with that one once. Ah, crud. This one looks like a doozy. Computer, can you shut down the gears in Sector 3?
Negative. But I will cross my fingers for you.
Stupid, sarcastic, outdated piece of
Unauthorized panic device has breached monitoring station Zulu. Temporal recording initiated. 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 Temporal recording initiated.
If you need help, you can access the Caretaker's Manual from any time pad.
Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Try using the Caretaker's Manual.
Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Was incredible! You should have your own theme music, sir. I could trail behind you and be all like...
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device on approach.
Sir, watch out! It's the hypersonic brainwave scrambler!
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device in Sector 3.
Your time has come, hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
Brainwave scrambler. Do you know who you're messing with? That's XJ0461. Watch out, sir. He's using a sonic burst emitter. Sir, you'll get more momentum with the chronoceptor. Yeah! Kick his butt, sir! Watch out, sir! Terratropes!
Scramble.
That was amazing, sir. You think you could show me how to fight like that one day?
Let's try this again! Night of the Living Squishies, Act 3, Scene 4. Ready on set?
I should never have quit dental school.
And action! You'll never take me alive, Quack. Time is under my control!
Oh, am I interrupting?
Lawrence! I'm rehearsing my epic romantic action comedy space opera!
Silly me, sir. I just thought it prudent to tell you Clank is en route to the Orvis chamber. Sir.
Splendid! The moment we've been waiting for is now. Now, if there's nothing else to discuss.
There is one small matter.
I don't have the capacity for love, Janice. I was cursed by a tribe of gypsy ninjas when I was a kid.
I know, Lance. I was in that tribe of gypsy ninjas.
They cannot be allowed to meddle in our plans! Track them down and annihilate them!
Very good, sir. In the meantime, might I suggest engaging the safety so as not to kill any more troops?
It's not even loaded, you moron! Look! Next!
Ratchet, Quark here. Robot on Torren 4.
Got it. Thanks, Quark. I'll head over there now. Quark, come in. I just landed on Torren 4. Do the Fungoids know where I can find Azimuth?
Chief, something says he supposedly lives in the ruins of Fulgrim Pass.
Fulgrim Pass. All right. Maybe someone around here can point me in the right direction. See what else you can find. I'll be in touch.
Roger that. Work out.
I'm looking for Fulgrim Pass.
Fulgrim Pass, where the exile dwells. It is beyond this hollow. But we do not grant entrance to outsiders. They must find it for themselves.
Ratchet, come in. One of the Fungoids just told me about a race of brutal warriors who apparently hate Nefarious. They're called Agori
think that's such a good idea.
Normally I'd agree with you, but the fungoids insist that I leave as soon as possible. They even paid the Agorians to come pick me up. Isn't that nice? I'll keep you posted. Work out.
Welcome, outsider. I apologize for the ruse, but we like to keep our operation away from the prying eyes of galactic authorities. Come, you have proven yourself worthy. Fulgrim Pass is on the other side of the hollow, but you must be aware that there is a dangerous exile there. Most of our kind do our best to stay away from him.
Why? What'd he do?
Attacked one of Nefarious's transports. Was allowed outpost in Korthos. They use rebel stuff. Here we are. Oh, not again. Do me a favor and add that battery bottle, will ya? The creatures never swing in their sockets. Tell them we have a code 11-13. Without power, I'm afraid access to Fulgrim Pass is impossible. Looks like you're out of luck, outsider. We warned the students upstairs the first time this happened. What we need is to come home.
This baby here deals maximum damage. For a fair price, of course. Welcome back, Chief.
The Dynamo of Doom! Now this is a weapon for serious adventurers. Outnumbered by enemies? No problem. Even the score by deploying this remote-controlled orb. Once activated, you can steer it around the battlefield and wipe out the whole lot of them. The Dynamo of Doom. Available only at GrumbleNet.
All right, Chief. What can we do you for?
Recharged and reclaimed. Instead of Womax. We warned the suits upstairs the first time this happened, but did they listen? No. What we need is to convert to teleconium like the rest of the galaxy. Hey, what are you doing on the floor? Didn't you hear? It's code 11-13. Yeah! All work must cease until the raw battery pods are recovered. Did you see the miles of code 11-13?
The workday. We have several chores need to be done around the national board, so be sure to sign your child up as soon as possible.
figure out a way to fix it myself.
Good for nothing. Battery bolts costing us time and money.
Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alistair Azimuth?
You've lost the element of surprise. Killing me won't be so easy.
I just want to talk to you.
Lies! You're here to assassinate me. Who sent you? What's along? You've lost the element element of surprise. Killing me won't be so easy.
I just want to talk to you.
Lies! You're here to assassinate me. Who sent you? Porcelain? Nefarious? Figures they lack a spine that can confront me themselves.
Look at me. I'm a Lombax.
The Lombaxes are gods. And I know a hollow guys when I see one.
Can you stop trying to kill me for 2 seconds so we can talk?
Try this. You're starting to annoy me. How about a barbecue? You should have trained more before coming for me. I've toyed with you long enough. Not bad. It almost borders on talent. You've lost the element of surprise. Killing me won't be so easy.
I just want to talk to you.
Lies! You're here to assassinate me. Who sent you? Porcelain? Try this. You're starting to annoy me. How about a barbecue? You should have trained more before coming for me. I've toyed with you long enough. Not bad. It almost borders on talent. Now I've got you. It can't be. You're Caden's son.
Forgive me. General Alistair Azimuth, Forbolt Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research, and you, my dear boy, look just like your father.
I have so many questions. How did you know him?
Caden and I were good friends. He was a great Lombax, smart as they could come. He was the first outsider to theorize that the Great Clock even existed.
And this clock, you think Clank's in there?
Clock is a rather crude translation of the runes on Quantos. Specifically, they say Keeper of Time. But yes, I suspect he is. You see, according to Fungoid lore, the Zoni are the guardians of time. If your friend is connected to them, he must play some part in its operation. Now, where are those blasted things?
Wait, I thought my father was the only one to stay behind when the Lombaxes left. Why didn't you go with them?
Sometimes the universe has a cruel sense of humor. Ah, here they are. Your father's hover boots. Ready for your first lesson?
If you're going to stop Nefarious, you're going to have to learn how to outmaneuver him. And used properly, these hover boots will give you exactly the edge you need. Now, back straight, legs bent slightly at the knee, and engage.
Wonderful. Well, take him for a spin.
If you want to turn, just shift your weight. The boosters will take care of the rest. Ah! I see you found the accelerator.
I've set up a small practice course for you over here. Come on back when you're ready to give it a shot. like you've got the basics down. Now, let's try something a bit more challenging, like this hoverboot course. Well done. You're a faster learner than your father. I have one final test set up over there. Are you ready? All right. Follow me. And now for your final exam. We'll test your speed as well as your skill. You must complete the course and grab every flare along the way in under a minute. If you succeed, I may just let you keep those hover boots. You definitely have the skill, but you're a little too slow. Let's try again. Fast. Definitely have the skill, but you were a little too slow. Let's try again. You definitely have the skill, but you were a little too slow. I've ever seen. Nice work, Ratchet. Ion coils might be a bit rusty. You'll get used to them.
Thanks. So what now? Storm Nefarious' stronghold? Force him to tell us where the clock is, huh?
Nefarious would be foolish to reveal that information to us, no matter what we do to him. But we have an advantage I did not have before. A contact inside the clock.
Clank? How are we going to talk to him? General, my ship's this way?
No thanks. I brought my own. Meet me in Axiom City, planet Terragnos.
What are we looking for in Axiom City?
A way to talk to Clank!